Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to translate a Google Docs document into a different language. I'll show you guys how to do that. Click on this Tools tab and select Translate Document, and you can create a translated copy of the current document. You just need to name it as the copy of the letter. Name it as whatever you want it and select the language you want to change it. I'm gonna select Chinese traditional and select. After selecting the language, select translate. The new document will open up with the selected language, and that's all you have to do it, guys. Now the Chinese language has been opened up. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.